Okay, replaced or redone the steering rack. Here you go. I think I've re-greased them. The reason I wanted to take a video is because obviously you can't, it's hard to get these VH, so I got these. I think they're VS, which is the perfect size. I wouldn't get these universal ones, they were just rubbish. So VS, if it fits a VH manual steering rack. And yeah, I think what's the next step? This side. So, products used, hang on, here we go. These from Petters. Future reference. Boots, steering rack, manual. Steering rack manual. It's a code. That was from Repco. Otherwise, done both sides. Re-greased it, cleaned up the rack, turned up good. Now lower control arms to about next. Get those in. So that's what I'll do probably on the next videos when I get those. Get those in, then I go back to Petters and work out shock. Otherwise, steering rack's finished, which is a pain because I've had to go 3 different places for the boots. Petters seem to always have the part you need. They're only reliable so far, but otherwise Repco have been a lot better with all this sort of stuff at the moment. But all I did is wire brushed it, didn't do anything else. It was only a little bit of paint, degreased it, wire brushed it with on the grinder, then bolted back in after re-greasing it all that, obviously. Yeah, I think that's about it. Fresh bolt in there. Yeah. Anyway, just wanted to make a video on that because if I wanted to search for those boots later, or someone's to maybe save someone doing a trip and asking so many questions. I think it was VS. Anyway, the product codes are there for those boots. So yeah.